If you are not doing your map animations like this, you are losing a lot of your time. And the funny thing is that you don't even need to use fancy softwares. Today, in mere minutes, I'll show you how to create stunning map animations in Canva. Buckle up and get ready to impress your audience. I'll show you three types. Type A. Select a rectangular frame. Search World Map Illustration in Elements tab and select one whose colors can be changed. Select it and resize it to full screen and change its color to your liking or your project theme. For background, to not look empty, use a texture. I chose crumbled paper texture and reduced its transparency so that it is barely visible. Next, duplicate the first clip using Ctrl+D on Windows and Command+D on Macs. And zoom to the required part of the map. I am choosing India. Choose the country's illustration that allows you to change the color. Put it in place and change its color to the same as the world map. Duplicate clip again and change its color to a complementary one. Duplicate the clip again and resize the selected area to full screen, reducing world map's transparency when you are at it. And add text, also reducing its transparency to 0. Duplicate it and drag India and the text both to the left, giving the illusion that India is being pushed by text. To make it all work as intended, use match and move, reducing the clip time to 0.8 seconds each. This was type A. Next to type B. Choose the map of area you want. Here I took India. Choose outline of locations you want to zoom to. I chose Delhi. Note that these are approximate locations. Then duplicate and zoom in a lot. Duplicate again, add a vertical line and the name of the place with additional information. Add animations on text, lock. Apply match and move between all the clips and reduce clip timings to 0.8 seconds each. This was type B, a quick and efficient one. Type C. Select a location and choose its map with paper texture as background. Add an inverted triangle and use it as a location marker. Change its color to a brighter one. This one suits fine. Add marker's name in serif font and in same color. Add effect. Shadow in same color with complete blur. Add animations on triangle and text. Baseline. Up for the text, down for the triangle. Duplicate the clip and drag the map to far left and drag text to top right and enlarge it. Add locations image on marker in circular frame. Add a rectangle with curved corners for additional text or information. Change its color and reduce transparency. Add baseline animation on it too. This was type C, a beautiful one, allowing you to add more information. This is how easy and effortless it is to make it in Canva. Simple yet smooth. If you liked it, share and like. Do try your own animations and style. Also share it to us. We would love to see it. Make a wonderful day and see you in the next one.